You know, I like this Kinyarwanda high. It's so beautiful. These people are so inspired by the Word. Can you imagine someone praying in a song? Imagine someone before the knees are down, the heart is connected, and he's not saying, no, God, give me a house, give me a wife, give me a job, I want promotion of my job, I'm the only one in Kigali. I have no house. In all my generation, the other friends that we went to school together, everybody has a job except me. That's what the brother is saying. Man doesn't know who the Russians of today, they just sing it without understanding. And you know how I am today. But there's someone who wants to that song. Someone who is that song. He is the author. Someone was crying. Who's the fire? Lord. Who is the fire? Glory, Lord. Let the fire burn. They could want each other. And they had a video. Can't get up in the mountain with you. Let me tell you, we need to ask God. We must struggle with it to make the fight burn. We must struggle with it. The problem we have today, the problem the church has today, the big problem in the church. Now, you know what church is? Is that how you are? When you're mining gold, you will not find something. It is not clean. Now, part of it is a rock, another part is soil. There are so many types of things